Want Gemini to create a fully illustrated storybook in under a minute, complete with pages and read-aloud audio? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Storybook Gem in Google Gemini, how to add photos or files for personal stories, and how to regenerate versions until it's exactly what you want. On a computer, go to gemini.google.com. On the left side, look for Gems, then click Storybook. If you don't see it, click Explore Gems and search for Storybook. The best storybook prompts include the main character, the setting, the problem, the tone, and the illustration style. Let's try one. Create a storybook about a shy robot named Bolt who starts school on the moon. Make it funny and warm for ages 6 through 8. Add a gentle lesson about making friends. Use bright, playful illustrations and keep each page to 2 to 4 short sentences. Hit submit and Gemini will create a storybook, usually around 10 pages. To make it personal, click Add Files and upload photos, a document, or even a kid's drawing. Then ask Gemini to turn that into a storybook. Just be sure not to put real pictures of your students into the program for data privacy. Once it's created, you don't edit the pages directly, you iterate. In the chat, tell Gemini exactly what to change. Make it funnier, simplify the language, change the ending, or switch the art style. Gemini will generate a new version with new images. You can type things like, make the language simpler for 2nd grade level, change the illustration style to claymation, make the ending more hopeful, or add more dialogue between the characters. At the top of the storybook, you can tap Listen to hear read-aloud narration, and you can change the voice. When you're ready to share, use Share to copy a link. You can also export and share or download the storybook once it's complete. If you're an educator, Storybook is amazing for explaining complex concepts as a narrative, like photosynthesis as a hero's journey, language practice with level targets, or student-centered stories with clear requirements. Plan first, then prompt, then revise with feedback. And that's the Storybook Gem. Open it, prompt it, personalize with files, regenerate versions, then listen and share. If you want, drop your topic in the comments and I'll help you write a storybook prompt that matches your grade level and learning goal.